All right, so you finally realize that email marketing is a gold mine, literally a gold mine. You can generate 30 to 40% extra revenue on autopilot in less than 60 days. It's insane, right? So you went on Shopify, created your store, or you already have a store on Shopify, but you're just wondering how can you connect both of these two, Shopify and Klaviyo, the bread and the butter. So in this video, this is exactly what I'm going to show you. So as you can see, I'm on Klaviyo. I'm gonna press on integration, which is right there. Right after this, I'm gonna press on integrations or add integrations. And as you can see, we have this beautiful Shopify shining over here. You can either click on it or just write Shopify. You're gonna press on Shopify and then you're gonna press on install that you see right there. By the way, my name is Steve. I've helped several brands go from zero to hero, so you are in good hands, do not worry. And now as you can see, it is asking for my domain, but I am not gonna put the domain that appears up front. For example, Walmart, it's not going to be walmart.com. It's going to be a weird number that's going to appear right there. So I'm going to press on my store. Now I'm on Shopify, and as you can see, there's like a weird number here. So I'm going to copy this, go back on Klaviyo, paste it, and once it's pasted, I'm going to also add .myshopify.com. So it should look like something like this. Now next, what I'm going to do here when it comes to this, I'm going to tick this, so I'm going to make sure this is activated. And the next thing they want us to do is to select a list. This is newsletter, which is their basic list that they offer us, and it's basically going to be the main spot where your new subscribers, your new visitors are going to land. So basically, they go on your website, they see a pop-up form, they give you their emails, they take the discount that you guys are offering them, 10 to 15%, and they're going to land on newsletter. They're going to land on this list right there. Now next thing, guys, make sure everything is the same. This is how it came by default, so just make sure everything is the same, everything is identical. So now I'm going to press on connect to Shopify, and it's going to tell me to log in. So you should land here. If it tells you to log in, just log in. And once you're here, guys, I want you to press on install, obviously, and I'm going to press on integrate to confirm the new integration. And there you go, guys, everything is perfect. It is confirmed and integrated properly. But the job is not done, my friend. Once everything is integrated properly, you will have to make sure that the on-site tracking is activated, because what that will do is it will track every little actions that your customers are making in your website, and it's going to be very important to eventually make sales based out of it. So for example, someone adds your product to their cart, gets distracted by their dog and never comes back. Well, something's going to be triggered on Klaviyo, and eventually they're going to get an automated email reminding them to make their purchase. So very important, guys. So I'm going to press on turn on, and it's going to send me on Shopify, as you can see. And now once you're here, you can see that it's already activated, but I want you to untick it and tick it back, and then press on save. There you go, guys, just like that. Now we're going to go back on Klaviyo, and now that we're back, I'm going to press on this refresh button, and now boom, guys, just like that, we can track, we can actually know what our customers do. Whatever they do, we see it. And now finally, the last thing I want you guys to do is go on audience, press on list and segments, type newsletter, and go on settings, press consent. And once you're here, I want you guys to select single opt-in instead of double opt-in. And the reason why is pretty simple. Double opt-in is going to be an extra step that your new subscribers will have to press on or do before actually be part of your newsletter, to actually be part of the party, right? But single opt-in is going to directly take them into your newsletter. And the rule of the game is pretty simple. The more people that you have in your newsletter equals the more revenue you're going to generate. So please, guys, make sure to click on single opt-in and press on save. There you go. So now congratulations, guys, you're ready to take your business to the next level with only email and SMS marketing. It's something insane, and not a lot of people know the power behind it. So leave a like and subscribe if this video was helpful. If you need some help, don't be shy, go in the description and book a free audit with me. I've helped this brand. They barely had any email system in place there. They had nada, nothing. And I took them from 0 to 41% of attributed revenue in only a single month. So if you need some help, I'm really there to help you guys. Once again, go in the description and book a free call, a free strategy call. And yeah, besides that, leave a like, subscribe. Bye.